Hello everyone, welcome to Budget Trend. My name is Temi Samuel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on the Minipay app. There are 11 ways to make money on the Minipay app. So I'm going to show you all the 11 ways. But before I get started, please subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell. Drop a comment in the comment section. Like this video and share it. These are the only ways you can help me to boost this channel. So thanks for doing that. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first method of making money on the Minipay app is, okay, when you log into your Minipay app, all you have to do is just come to this app section. So once you come to this app section, you will see some list of app there. So under this list here, just click on reward. So this reward, it will select some app that will pay you for completing task. Do you understand? So under this reward, there are 9 methods. There are 9 apps, 9 mini apps, as you can see here. 9 mini apps that can earn you reward on this Minipay app. So the first one is daily reward. The second one is Marvel Micro World. The third one is listen and win. Next is football multis, predictor, earn mental reward, earn prediction and big rewards, scratch rewards and play to earn. So I will come back to explain these apps one after the other. So I want to show you another way to make money aside from this reward section. Another way to make money on the Minipay app is through deposit. So as a first timer, maybe you are using the Minipay app for the first time. Once you deposit money, anything above $2 or $2, you will get 0.5 cash back, as you can see under this deposit here. Under this place, you will get $0.25 back. So if you have another way to make money through deposit on Minipay app is interest rate. If you have up to $2 in your wallet for a week, that is the minimum of $2, you will get 2% interest rate weekly. So you can have above $2. For instance, if you have $100, you will get $20 every week as interest rate. Do you understand? Meanwhile, the money must be on your Minipay wallet for a week, and it can be more than a week. It's just like savings, like you hold it there. So for every amount above $2 you have in your Minipay wallet, you will get 2% interest rate every week. With that being said, another way to make money through this Minipay app is through invite, like through referral. This invite friends here. So once you click on the invite friend, you will be able to earn money once your friend or anybody you refer sign up to the Minipay app using your referral link. So once the person sign up, you will get 0.1 USD immediately, and the person will get 0.1 USD immediately, as you are seeing on this dashboard there. When I sign up to the Minipay app, I got this 0.1 USD immediately. So once you refer a friend, immediately the friend will get 0.1 USD, and you as well will get 0.1 USD. Do you understand? So the second way of making money through this invite friends on the Minipay app is this. Once the person you refer add up to $2 in their wallet, you will get another 0.1 USD. Do you understand? The person too will get another 0.1 USD in his or her wallet. So these are the two ways to make money on the Minipay app under the invite features. Do you understand now? So with that being said, now let's go back to this place, this app section. So this is where you will be making big money on the Minipay app, that you can even make up to $1,000 per week. So this daily reward here require you to use is either Opera Mini app or the Minipay app every day. So once you use either Opera Mini app or the Minipay app in a day, just log into your Minipay app and come to this daily reward to claim your allowance. As you can see, I've already claimed mine. It will tell me that I should wait for the earlier tomorrow. Yeah, as you can see. So you will be claiming this allowance every day. Though it is a little cent, but within a week it will accumulate. Do you understand? So another method of making money under this reward is Marvel Micro Work. This this mini app right here will compile task from different vendors during the week. So it will compile all the taxes and drop it every Tuesday. So on Tuesday, you can log into this mini app here and complete any task you are capable of doing. So once you complete the task and they verify it, the reward will be paid to your MiniPay wallet. Do you understand? So as you can see, over the past couple of weeks, we've posted tasks and rewards our micro workers for successfully completing them. The next big drop of survey and early opportunity will be available on Marvel Day Tuesday. That is every Tuesday. Please check back on Tuesday. We look forward to bringing you more ways to earn. So this mini app right here allows you to earn money every Tuesday. So anything apart from Tuesday, you will need to wait till the next Tuesday to get some task. This app right here, no, the third one is listen and win. So this listen and win allow you to stream any of your favorite artists. Whether you are in Nigeria, you can stream Whiskey, Davido. If you are in India, you can stream your favorite artist. If you are in America, you can stream your favorite artist, and you can also stream international artists as well. So if you are streaming them, you will get reward. This reward will be paid to your MiniPay app. As you can see, I'm in Nigeria, so these are some of Nigeria artists like Dube, Ladipo, you know, all these people, Rema. Do you understand? So regardless of your country, you will see your artist. So you can use this listen and win to earn reward by listening to your favorite artist. It is cool, right? So let's continue. This football motis is part of many apps inside the MiniPay app that allow you to earn reward by it allows you to earn reward by predicting, by selecting the team you think that, okay, it will let you earn reward by guessing right, by guessing the winning team. So it's just like a bet, it's like a bet platform. So you can just bet. I'm not used to betting, so I don't know much about betting. So you can just bet and check. You can create multi and play the bet. So once you play the bet and you win, some, I think it has percent, it has percentage of the amount they will pay you. However, you don't have to pay any amount to pay this bet, to play this bet. Do you understand? All you have to do is just sign up on this mini app, guess, predict, and play the bet. So once you win, I think they will pay you maybe 10% of the amount you win or whatever. So that is that. So this football motis predictor, predictor, what else again? Yeah, football motis, predator, and daily predict big reward. These are the sports betting platform that let you earn reward on many app. So I won't be talking much about that. So I will jump to the next one, which is earn Mento reward. This one is great. It's a great mini pay app that allow you to earn big. If you are consistent on this mini app, you can earn up to $1,000 every week. Do you understand? So this app lets you, you know, that's appear. Complete any of the following actions to earn Mento token. So if you add at least 5 CELO USD, this is cUSD, which is CELO. CELO USD in a single transaction, you will be rewarded daily. That is, if you add this 5 CELO USD every day, at least you add 5 every day, you are adding 5 to your account every day, you will earn reward. If you hold at least 2 CELO USD on your Minipay app per week, you will earn interest, which is reward again. Now the third method of earning reward on this mini app is once you transfer minimum of 1 CELO USD to your friend, you will earn a reward as well. Now let me teach you how to boost your earning using this Mento app. Do you know that Minipay app does not require any uh, ID verification? Let me say any government ID verification. All you need is your email address or your phone number to open this Minipay app, which means you can open 2 Minipay app. Are you getting my point? So you can open 2 Minipay app on different devices or using app what's this thing called? You can use all this app replicator to replicate the Minipay app, so you can have 2 accounts. So once you have 2 accounts, all you just have to do is transfer this 5 CELO USD to one account. Do you understand? Now it will mark this first benchmark as, it will check it out, it will check. Do you understand? Now it will check that you have added 5 CELO USD to the account. So once you add it, you can then transfer this 5 CELO USD to the other account. So once you transfer it, this section here we check this section here we check that you have transferred above 1 CELO USD to a friend. So you will earn reward on this one, you will earn reward on this one. Now once this 5 CELO USD get to the other account, it will check this section that you have added 5 CELO USD. Then you will transfer it back to this account again. Then it will check this one on that other account that you have transferred up to 1 CELO USD to a friend. Are you getting the point? So you can be doing this every day to keep any reward on this. By the time you complete it in a week, plus other tasks and other activities on the mini app, you should be able to earn nothing less than 1000 USD. So in this old cUSD per week, let's assume you owed 1000 USD, 1000 CELO USD, which is equivalent to 1000 USD, because CELO USD is pegged to US dollar. So let's assume you owed 1000 USD on your Minipay wallet. You will earn weekly reward on this, and you will also earn weekly interest rate. Are you getting the point? That means you will earn, let's say the interest rate is $20 per 1000 USD per week. So you will earn $20 on this. You also earn $20 on that. That is $40 waiting for you already on $1000 you owed on your Minipay app. Are you getting the point? So that is it. That is it for Mento. So let's move to the other one. Scratch reward. This is another mini app inside the Minipay app. This app allows you to complete task and earn reward. As you can see here, earn as you pay. So I have completed a 0 out of 5 tasks. So these tasks will appear every day. So this is number 1 challenge. So these are the available challenge. You can refresh it and you can complete it. So the first one say ready to earn cash, ready to earn. This one say follow Twitter. Follow Twitter African on X. So if you follow them and they confirm it, you earn reward. So this one say follow Minipay on X. This one say fly the plane. That means, I think this is a game where you use money to play, and once you play you earn reward on this, and other stuff like that. So this one too is about completing task and earn reward. So another one, I think the last one, which is I don't want to talk about playing to earn as well. This one too is a sporty sport betting, app. Like play to earn is a sport betting app. This one too is a sport betting. This sport betting, this I think one, two, three, four are sports betting mini apps that allow you to earn reward as well. So that is it about any money on mini app. If you can combine all these tax, you can combine all of them all together, you should be able to accumulate 1000 USD per week. However, it is important to note that before you start any before you start completing any tax, make sure you deposit up to $2 in your Minipay app. Make sure you deposit up to $2, because with that $2, that is what will give you the authority. That is what will qualify you to earn on the Minipay app. As you can see for this invite friends here, for this invite friend, it says $2 minimum balance to qualify, which means you must have a minimum balance of $2 to earn reward. Do you understand? So if you don't have a minimum of $2 and you start inviting friends, all those invites will go to waste. It will not be counted. So the invite will not count. And if you now deposit $2, all those ones you have invited will not also count. Now after depositing $2, the invite will start counting. Are you getting the point? So it is important to deposit $2 immediately you sign up, and you think, okay, you sign up and you want to earn money with the Minipay app. Maybe you don't want to use it for international transaction, because the Minipay app is meant for international transaction and all of that. So if you don't want to use it for all those activities, but you want to earn on it, make sure you deposit at least $2 on the Minipay app to start earning. So on your $2, you will earn 2% weekly interest rate from here, and you will also earn money from here, from this earn Mento reward. Meanwhile, this earn Mento reward, you have to qualify for the tier section before you can start earning with Mento. So the tier section is that you must add 5 CELO USD to your account. You must hold 2 CELO USD in your account for up to a week, and you must send 1 CELO USD to a friend before you can qualify to earn on this. Do you get? So once you complete these 3 taxes, now come to this place and click on apply, as you are seeing right here. Then you click on apply. So that is it. If you get value from this video, please don't hesitate to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please, this is the only way I can grow this channel, and this is the only way I can get support from you. Drop your opinion in the comment section, like this video and share it to your friends. Once again, I'm Temi Samuel, and this is Budget Trend. Thanks for watching.